S500 on Mondays, fully spec'd, chauffeur package it my way. Blast the 4D, your Chanel on my highway. Zofana nomboro if you pick in my driveway. Then I let it rest, sexy it's Tuesday. S65, 2 doors and it's too rare. Fuck a rare view, drop the top then the view's clear. Windows up, booga my pipe, V12 as I disappear. On my father duties I lay low. Zobe bule satu gun in a Range Rover. Kliwu ice cream, nice things as we head home. Sitting high, shiced up as I drive slow. Then I DBS super Legera the next day. Ihlezi sangene as I shift without clutch plates. Ikhale kakhulu ngcindezele ngetrauma. Khumbula ukuthi ubaba ngeke ngibone mengipopa. Fuck man. IG63 my Fridays. Veli bonga kuseni coaster, then drop the kids. Kamu githi brr, thuku umuntu awushintshe lane. I've bottled up a lot, side pipe, keep it pain. Kube 8-12 date nights, Saturdays with the dark paint, black rims, love that thing. GTS spec, see the clouds and keep it stress. See me and the ma'am speeding past and show respect. 6:35 CSI on a Sunday, cooping with the kids in the back, family day. Best jige khaya ngibona umama and take a straw. And I love a strong whoever thought sizophila so. Mniki 100k bese ngithi aphile more. Laughing at the days I was fragile and insecure. Looking at my fleet, I'm so pleased and buying more. Driven by the power of my worth and my vision board. This is yours.